Hello guys, welcome to the HTML5 tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to take a look at image tag. So image tag is basically used to display an image in a browser actually. So let's get started. So image tag is somewhat different from other tag if you could see it closely. Image tag does not have an closing tag. So let me show you what an image tag is. So img src. So this is an image tag. So when I type this tag, you could see that the browser shows me a broken image because I didn't write what type of image I'm asking the browser to display. So this is an image tag and it does not have an closing tag actually. So actually there are three cases in image tag. This is first case. So case 1. In case 1, if the HTML document and the image, if they both are in same folder, then you don't need to actually, you can directly write the image name and with its format. So let me show it to you. So let me come out, let me open it code folder. So in this you could see that the HTML document and the image both are in the same folder. So it does not require any root directory. So you can directly you can type this name success dot in what format it is. It is in JPG format. So you should go there. Let me full screen it. So success dot JPG. So immediately if I write success dot JPG, it displays me the image. So put $5 in pocket, pull out 10. So this is case 1. So in case 1, if the image tag and if the image and the HTML document, if both are in the same folder, you need to just write the name of the image plus its format. So let's come to case 2. So case 2. In case 2, let me open image tag src. So in case 2, if the image and the HTML document, if they both are not in the same folder, if they are not in the same folder, then you have to open, you have to type its root directory actually. Root directory means, let me come out, so it's an image actually. So if you go to its property, if you go to security, actually if you go to here itself, so this is root directory. Location is equal to C a column slash user slash copy user slash desktop. So this is its root directory. If you go to security, it shows the full root directory. So users, copy user, desktop, kit.jpg. So this is its root directory. So you have to copy this and you have to go and paste it here. So when you pasted this, actually when you go and paste it here, you will definitely get the image. So in case 2, if the image and the HTML document, if they both are not in the same folder, then you have to type its root directory. So when you type it, you will get the image. So let's go to case 3 actually. So okay, let it be here. In case 3, so in case 3 we have, if you are thinking, if your computer does not have enough memory space, and you are thinking that why should I download an image, instead of that can I upload an image without directly downloading the image? If you ask a question like that, yes, definitely you can do like that. So this is case 3. Is that again you have to add image imgsrc is equal to, and you have to close the tag and go to the internet. So I want to add this image to my web browser without downloading it. So how can I do it? So right click it, you have copy, that's it. Wait a minute. Yes, copy image location. You have to, it's in Mozilla you have to click copy image location. If you are using Google, you have to click save image URL, like that you have some other tag like that. So just paste it. So you could see that it is already showing me the image of it. So it's pretty length URL actually. So in Mozilla you have to go directly and click actually where is that, it's actually changing copy image location and go and paste it in between this tag. So without downloading the image, I had actually applied the image from the internet. So for that you have to just write its URL. So when you type its URL, it is going to definitely show it in your browser. So this is case 3, uploading an image from the internet directly. So let me close this. So this is an video in which you have seen how can we upload an image to a browser. Then sometimes we cannot say that the image will load. Sometimes your viewers internet connection may be weak, so that you might have big images which might not load quickly. So if I am going to take this J, it is JPG format, but I have taken this J, so it does not show any image, so it shows a broken image picture. So but your visitor will not know what type of image it is. So for a visitor's easy enough, what you can do is you can add an alt tag, so ALT. So this is an alt tag. In alt tag you can type whatever text about the image. So in this image it is about a kid saying a meme. So let me type kid saying a meme. So if your visitor comes to a browser, I mean a website, and when he sees this broken image tag, with that he can see that kid saying a meme. So he can definitely understand that this is an image about a kid in which he's saying a meme. So alt tag is used when your visitor doesn't have proper internet connection, and when the image does not load properly, it will show the information about it. So this is all about alt tag. So when I again type G, you could see that the image is being displayed, but alt is not displayed. So alt only displays when the image is not loaded. So when the image is loaded, so it does not show when the image is loaded. So when the image is loaded, it will show it, and the alt tag will disappear. So let me remove this. So actually you could see it very well, this image. I think it is somewhat bigger. I want to make it smaller. So how can I make it? So to make the image look smaller, you have to add width attribute. So width, width attribute. I want the image width attribute to be 250. So you can see that it was automatically converted to 250. So when I zoom, when I pull it out, you could see it's changing. So I don't want it to be 200, but I want it to be 150. So you could see that image has been converted to smaller pic. So I want to add height. So for height I want it to be 100. So you could see that it is being fixing into the frame actually. So if I want it to be 200, you can see it's in 200. So actually it's a square image. I have to add the same as the width, so I'm adding 150. So if you want to make your image look bigger or smaller, you can definitely go with width attribute and height attribute actually. So in this video we have seen that how can we add an image. Case 1, if the image is in same folder. Case 2, if it's in different folder. And case 3, if it is an internet image without downloading it. And we have seen alt tag. Alt tag is used when the image does not load. It shows it displays the image, it displays the message to the visitor. And width and height tag will increase and decrease the measurement of the image. So this is all for this video guys. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next video.